Assalamualaikum kids. How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, as you know that this is your English copy and today I am going to teach you month's name. Now open your copy and write with me. Children, you will write the heading on the top of the page of month's name. Now let's start your word. In the first you will write 1, then here you will write the spelling of January. And the spelling of January is January. January. Then here you will write 2. Then you will write the spelling of February. 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 And here you will write 3. Then you will write the spelling of March. 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 Then number 4. And here you will write April. 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 5. Then you will write May. 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 Then children, you will write here number 6. And here you will write the spelling of June. 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 Then children, here you will write number 7. And then you will write the spelling of July. 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 Number 8. August. 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 Number 9. September. 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 And on number 10 you will write here October. 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 Number 11. November. 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 And on number 12 is December. 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 Children, now you will read with me the name of months again. Number 1 is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. I hope children you will learn the month's name. Children, you will complete your work at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you, take care and Allah Hafiz.